Good morning, everybody. Check it out. It is, I don't even know what day it is. It's Saturday.
Slow down, we'll make it back up.
All right, folks, check it out. I am on my way to grab a Dana 60. That's right. The Suburban is finally going to have a Dana 60 underneath the front end. So hopefully I can quit breaking U-joints and we can start having some fun. So, yeah, stay tuned. We're gonna go pick that up. It's a Dana 60 that's pretty much already built. It's got the right gears. It's perfect. I've been watching it for a little while. I think this is just the perfect one for my setup. So stay tuned. We're gonna go get it. We're gonna look at it. It should just be, there might be a few things we need to do, but it's built. It's ready to roll. It's ready to rock and roll and put in. So hopefully that's all it takes, and we don't run into some major issues, because we like to drive that thing and we don't want it down. We want to just be able to go. So stay tuned. That farm is underwater. Nice. And that farm is underwater. Let's see.
A headache, dude.
What's that?
Save you a headache.
Oh, what's that?
You're gonna need these top plates.
Okay.
This is a sway bar,
Oh, okay.
and then those top plates is what they go on top of your springs.
Oh,
And
okay.
they're different than a 10 bolt.
Okay.
So I've also got some U-bolts in there. If you want them, you just have to get new nuts for them.
Sure.
This one, I had my boy pull it out, and I don't know what he did with those 2 bolts. So you have to get those 2 new bolts, and they're just a grade 8. I want to say they're 3/4.
Okay, so yeah, so that just goes on top. You put the springs on and that bolts to that. Okay. Sweet. Yeah, thanks. Alright, what do you think, dude? No. Nope.
These ones are off of that truck.
Oh, they are?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
I bought new ones when I put it in the 2-wheel drive, and then when I did everything to that, I just swapped it all over to that.
Yeah.
Tore it all apart, dropped the fan, rolled in new rod bearings, and put it all back together. Still ticked.
No.
Well, I had a brand new head on the engine when I bought it. So I figured, well, I'm gonna pull it apart. So I ripped the head off, but whoever did it was a dumbass. They didn't clean up the deck on the engine at all.
Still Cummins.
The nice thing about this, I'm running on used motor oil. Big coat back in the back. That's used motor oil. That's what it runs on. Doesn't cost me a penny to drive it.
Oh shit, right?
A dream setup for a lot of people. So.
Yeah.
You have to rebuild one, man. Save your pennies. About $8,000.
Really?
All right, so check this out. We got this crew cab. It's got the Cummins motor in there,
Phasing them all out.
No, that makes sense.
but I picked up this axle for the Suburban, and this guy just so happens to have a crew cab. A crew cab like the one we literally just picked up yesterday. So I'm hoping that we can get our crew cab in good enough shape. It's gonna take a lot of work, but I'm hoping to have this thing looking similar to this.
Probably.
Oh, maybe. All right, for all you folks out there, we got these trucks. Mine has this, his has this. we were just discussing what is the status of this emblem right here on these crew cab trucks. Tell us about it. Disc brake conversion.
I like this brake conversion. It seems like it stops so much easier.
So you could take
The arm for it.
Okay, yeah, I'm pretty sure that's, yep, that's pretty much just like mine. All right, folks, we have a breakthrough. A big one. What did you just say?
I said the videos that I make now will make me money in the future.
Alright, so here's the deal. I just want to give a shout out to Mr. Handbrake Jake.
Handbrake Jake!
For coming out and spending the morning and early afternoon with me, I guess. Picking up this axle for the Suburban. So stay tuned. We're going to be installing that one of these days, and yeah, we're gonna start with a few things on the crew cab as well. So I will let you. I'll do another video. Obviously, you know, I did a video on picking it up, but we're gonna do another video, and I will do a walkthrough and show you the ride, show you the crew cab, tell you my plans, maybe seek your advice. I don't know what I'm doing, honestly. We're just jumping in the boat and seeing if it'll sell, I guess. So yeah, follow along. If you got any advice on what to do with the crew cab, let me know. But I think for now, we're gonna turn that bad boy into, we're gonna try to turn it into a show truck. We're gonna try our hands at seeing what we can do to maybe turn that thing into a show truck. All else fails, turn it into a rock crawler. We'll see. I don't know. But here's to figuring it out and having an adventure. So anyways, smile. Once again, smile every morning when you get out of bed, even if it's early on a Saturday morning at 6:30. You get out of bed to go pick up axles for the Suburban. Yeah. Anyways, smile. All right, folks. Here we go. The Suburban's not even here, but frick yeah! Look at that. Look at that, dude. I'm stoked. No, man.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way